Let's go walk around the warehouse. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing here and what we got going on. It's me and my buddy Brian, and he just left, but we'll do a little quick warehouse tour and you can kind of get an idea of the vibe of things that we do here, and let's check it out. So a lot of times, fresh stuff comes right in. I back right up to that front door and we unload it right here. You'll see I got this pile we're going to go through today. We're going to get that on a video, but yeah, there's a lot of space, a lot of stuff everywhere, a lot of sorting and cleaning up that I still have to do. Still have carts full of stuff back here, stuff all the way up on those shelves. Just do a very quick, brief tour of this place right now. Pile of mannequins, just everything, a little bit of everything. Do a lot of architectural salvage. I end up with a lot of doors, a lot of sinks and stuff like that. So we just try to keep that stuff coming and going as quick as possible. Move stuff along, keep it moving. A lot of art, a lot of random stuff hanging from the ceiling, stuff like that. This pile of art will go to auction. This aisle is pretty empty, just got some random stuff in it. Again, just sorting and reprocessing. This year is going to be a lot different than the last 5 have been. So we're trying something new. We're trying to be a little more organized with how we get stuff when we get it in. And that's just a work in progress. See, a lot of this furniture be gone. We're working on getting rid of that stuff. All this stuff is listed on Marketplace, ready to go. Got it nice and set up. And this big pile of stuff you see here has already been sorted through. I know it looks like a mess, but it's kind of like organized chaos. It's either going for a tag sale or flea market stuff. And there's a little bit of better stuff mixed in here that we both do. Brimfield, me and Brian, we got our own separate spots, so we'll divvy that up in value. And we'll take half of it and I'll take half of it. So we'll both get, pretty much equal value of stuff. And hopefully make some money on it. But you kind of get a gist of how we're doing things in here. Got a lot going on. We got, storage unit mattresses over in the corner and some other stuff. And I had a bunch of lumber and things from some shipping crates and stuff. From some stuff I got from some salvage companies and things like that. But kind of give you a gist of